Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Alexis Sierra, and you already know what we getting into, baby, period. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got this, I think it's called a skunk strip now. This beautiful red color. I cut this, y'all. Can you believe that this is hair from the beauty supply store, like closure, bundles and all? So I'm gonna take you guys along this whole trip on how I got all of this done. So stay tuned, keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. As you can see, this hair, it did really well, but it did not lift to the blonde that I truly was going for. I'm used to the 613, so I know that the color is gonna like for sure pop, but it actually came out really pretty, as you guys will see in the end. And also, I'm sorry you guys, some of the clips are gonna be a little patchy just because I was either on the phone most of the time recording, and I was also trying to record a reels. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, then go ahead and do that too, honey, so you can see behind the scenes. I'm way more interactive on there. I'm trying to get onto the YouTube game, but slowly but surely I'll make my way. But until then, make sure that you are following me on all my other social media. I forgot to film me cutting this hair, but I didn't do anything special. I'm not a professional. I do not know how to cut hair. I just kind of did a blunt cut to begin, just to kind of get the length that I wanted. I originally wanted to go a lot shorter, you know, for a normal size bob, but I actually like the extended look just to show more of like the layer aspect of things. But again, I don't know what I'm doing, so we just snip and pray for the best. I was like all over the place. I was trying to record 2 things at one time or whatever, so that was one difficult. But y'all, really it was just me trying stuff. There was a lot of trial and error. I literally cut this wig, like I just went for it. I know nothing about cutting. I'm not licensed or anything, but baby, I'm about to get back in my bag because, not for nothing, but I did what needed to be done, okay? Period. But yeah, I'm really about to get back in my bag. I do apologize for this video being all over the place. I still have the lace on. I don't know why I'm trying to do an outro when the lace is still on my head, child. But realistically, because I'm about to take this wig off and go do photos with another wig, because this is my Valentine's Day wig. So y'all not gonna see, well, not really my Valentine's Day wig, but this is my, I'm about to go on a trip wig. So y'all won't see this until then, because like, baby, what? And this is a, I'm trying to think, because I didn't even really use the 14, but this was an 18, 16, look, maybe one, I think I used one bottle of 14 with a itty bitty closure. Honey, I don't even know what the measurements for the closure is. I made this as a dome cap wig. I didn't show that part, you guys, because there's like a million, billion, trillion videos online for that. So I mean, if y'all want to see that, sure, maybe I'll include it next time. But I mean, me personally, it's like I do the same thing everybody else do. I like to sew my wigs on my mannequin head, and I'm trying to think anything else that I did. Usually I do the watercolor method. Oh y'all, so that's another thing. You guys know, well, I don't know if I, well yeah, I've done one watercolor method, but when I dye hair, I wear like a lot of different colors. I love colored hair. But for one, hold on, sorry y'all, I'm proud of how I did this little, like, because I didn't want it to be at the root, like actual patch. I wanted to like trickle in and come down. But either way, you guys, yeah, so I usually do the watercolor method, which is usually on a 613 color hair, but clearly this is black, jet black at that. So yeah, I had to bleach it. I used 40 volume developer and everything. Oh, let me turn this off. Child, I'm about to burn the house down. But yeah, I used a 40 volume developer, as you guys saw in the beginning, and I usually just dip the hair once it's bleached and everything, but I just went ahead and put it on just because I was nervous, because the hair did not lift to the blonde that I wanted. I wanted, which it was really, really pretty. I don't know if I showed the color of the hair before I just put the color in there, but I just manually put it on there with the coloring brush and everything and went from there. It was supposed to be like a ombre, because I couldn't decide between two colors. I had this pretty pink and then this red. I had actually like 2 or 3 different reds. I couldn't decide. Me being indecisive, I'm just like all of them. So I was gonna do like a red to a pink, but the pink wasn't really even working. And then honestly, I've cut like so much of it off, so because it was probably like down here. So either way, it's been cut off, so you probably wouldn't have seen it anyways. But I'm really, really happy with it. I was really nervous, like y'all, I was about to be real upset because the blonde was really pretty, and I was like, dang, what if this color doesn't take? Then I could have just left it alone, whatever. But I'm really, really happy with this, y'all. I'm really, this is my step of getting back into like my hair bag. Like, people that know me, I've been doing hair for a long time. Again, I'm not licensed or anything. It's just something that I've always had a passion for. So y'all about to see more hair videos. I'm not gonna like drown y'all in hair videos, because I don't want that to one become everything that everyone expects from my page. I'm more than that. I definitely have way more talents and everything, but doing hair is like my first passion. Number 2 is fashion, and which is, you know, why I have like my own clothing line and everything. But that's a whole nother talk for another day, you guys. I hope that you really enjoyed this video, even though I haven't even cut the lace off yet. But yeah, you guys, like, I'm really, really happy with this color. Like, I'm about to flip the camera just so y'all can see it, because we got to get a little closer, because I don't think y'all seeing what I'm seeing. Okay, y'all, so it's kind of picking up right on color, I mean on the camera, but first of all, the tripod is too tall, y'all. But as y'all can see, there's like the little underneath, because I did want to do like in the back, but I still wanted everything to kind of like peek to the front, but not like too crazy. Because, you know, even though, I don't know, it's just like I work, so I don't want to be coming in with all these crazy colors. That, now I used to not really care at all. Like, if y'all have known me before, or like my friends that are watching, hello, hi, y'all already know, baby, I was not scared of no color. I didn't care what anybody had to say about any color that I wore, because I was just like, but am I doing my job? Yes, I am. But either way, you guys, as y'all can see, this is actually a really nice, like, I haven't colored, tinted anything. Oh, there's like a piece of here, y'all. Okay, there we go. But yeah, yeah, like I haven't, the lace is literally still on my head. Didn't do anything. I don't know why this is looking like this on camera. It's really just the actual color of the hair. I don't know why it's doing that, but either way, I really, really, really love this color. Like, baby, get into it. I did that, period. Cause it's like the perfect, like, you can see it, but you're not doing too much, you know? And that's kind of what I wanted to give. I want to do the little layered cut thing that people do, I see, but I gotta watch a video. I saved it. I saved it in my watch later, but I didn't watch it before cutting my hair. I kind of just was like, snip, snip. But I want to try that next. But y'all gonna see, y'all gotta get these hair videos because it's really just gonna be me getting back in my bag. But I'm also gonna be pushing myself because I can do a lot and I have already done a lot with hair. So it's just gonna be me pushing myself and, like, you know, really perfecting things. There's a lot more to come, you guys, but I'm really proud of the way I cut this hair, because cutting hair scares me. That's probably like the thing I'm like the most like about, because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm kind of just like, if it looked nice, I guess, I don't know. But I'm really happy because this could have went real bad real fast. Somebody I already showed you guys, but like, look at how, like, you know, like, I really, that could have went bad real fast. But it didn't, because the Lord was on my side. But yeah, you guys, so let's just finish doing what we're doing. That was the Lord in the mission, or whatever. All right, you guys, so finally we're in like somewhat of a not dysfunctional setup. Sorry, you guys, it's just like when I cut and color and things like that, I have to be on my kitchen floor because most of my apartment is carpet, so we can't play those games. But you guys, as you can see, we already completed the look as I showed you guys earlier. The last part, which I don't know why I've been holding on to this, is just cutting the lace. There's not much to do. You guys know, since this is a dome cap, I don't really like to glue my dome caps wigs down, just because I just like to literally put in an elastic band, which I have not done yet, but since I'm not really keeping this wig on right now, then I'm not gonna do that. But when I actually start wearing this wig, then of course I will. But it actually feels very tight. I mean, people have said I have a pea head, so I don't know if my head is little or normal. I just know it's not big, so I don't know. But yeah, I mean, how I feel right now, I feel good. But of course, like, you know, you moving and grooving, baby, you want to make sure that thing is secure, period. So we're just gonna do this last little bit. You guys already know I'm gonna use my my Wonder lace spray, and then I have my little, I don't know what you call this, I mean my little satin scarf, whatever, to like tie it down. Yeah, so I already kind of did a little bit of the plucking and everything, but, well, you know, my version of it. So yeah, you guys, we're just gonna finish just the last little bit. Okay, y'all, so that's kind of like to my likings. I'd rather do little by little, and then, you know, eventually if I see a few more pieces that I want to take away, then I will. But this wig is pretty much done. I just don't want it like so far on my freaking head. Okay, there we go. So y'all already know what it is. And this again is a closure, so literally it's just this little piece. And I usually go under, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I can literally just flat iron and bump it again, and go from there. So we're just gonna let that do its thing, guys. So this is the finished look of my hair. Y'all, I really love this hair. Like, I have wanted to do the I think they call it now like the skunk strip. I have wanted to do this for so long. Do not be surprised if you see it again on my channel, because there's other colors that I wanted to actually do. But with Valentine's Day around the corner, I decided to go with red, and I'm actually very happy with it. I actually love red hair. But anyways, you guys, so that is the final look, honey. I hope that you loved it, got into it. Proud of me cutting this, because y'all, I literally cut it like on my head, which is something that I usually do, but not like to complete the entire look. But yeah, you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed everything. I will have the color listed down below as well. And yeah, you guys, that is all. And also, I also recorded this makeup look, baby. So if you need a makeup look for Valentine's Day and something affordable, that video will be coming soon. So stay tuned for that, you guys. But until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.